English version. This is the English version, yeah. So guess what my friend sent to me? Is he made this for me on my request. I don't know what's the outcome of it. I just know that is what it is. Okay, so guess, is it something to do with Bearbrick stuff or Nintendo stuff? Let's open it. In Cantonese version, 開箱 哦，唔知係 Nintendo 嘅嘢啦，或者係 Bearbrick 嘅嘢啦。哇 ！Look at that! Look at that packaging. Okay. Tool. Okay. It's a tool. There's a tool here. Okay. A red tool here. Wow, 都幾大隻嘅喎。Quite big. Quite big. I thought it was smaller. Okay, let's put that aside. Okay, definitely I guess you guys know what is this. Okay, this is DIY item. Okay, but it's I would say quite a big project for him. Yeah, I'm so blessed to have a friend like that. And it's so awesome now that I can see it. What is this? He. Oh, okay. There's some he note here. Messages here. So some holes here for ventilation. Okay. Is for Nintendo. It's an arcade box that he made. Arcade box. Okay. So let's put Bearbrick aside a bit. It's not for Bearbrick at the moment. Okay. So let's try this out. Cause he doesn't have a Switch, but he made this through his survey. So I wonder it can fit in. Yeah, it's supposed to, because this stand is, this is my version 1, yeah, version 1 Nintendo. This stand here is, I guess you guys know, some of you might break it, already broken it. You know, but my one is still good because I seldom use it that way. This is a Nintendo Switch, version 1. So it's like when it first launched. As you can see my video, I have games like taiko drums, some classic games, sorry. Mario games is my favorite. Okay, that's how to go about this. Open, slide like that, just slide it up. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, perfect. perfect, man. And it has space for here, ventilation. See, there's a lot of space here. I can put my hand inside. A lot of space here, but there's two sides of holes for ventilation. Okay. In case your system goes hot after a long hours, or how to put this? Oh shit. Okay, this way. Okay. Okay, it's made of plastic. Okay, but he DIY it. Yeah. Look at the word Nintendo. He purposely made it like arcade feel, I would say. Arcade feel. Right? Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's play some games. Okay. So you can put these two controllers in also as well, if you want to bring it to somewhere. Okay. Just put it in. Okay, I mean, usually I use this controller to play. I don't really use Joy-Con. Okay. Oh. Very loud. See how the sound goes, huh? Okay. Okay, what game do I have now in here? I'm waiting for WarioWare. Okay, as you can see, let's play some Tetris. But Tetris here, I think, because I'm at the back of the house, so I'm not sure whether the line here is a bit cranky. Let's try. Can you see? Yeah. So I'm playing with this. Wow, this is so cool, man. Wow, it feels like arcade. The sound is okay because it has I don't know, the sound is okay. It's normal. It's like the handheld mode. This is versus online 99. Oh shit. Let's try out the casing with the controller. Whether everything works perfectly. There's just my test out gameplay. Okay, everything looks good. Guess that's about it. Play some classic games. Checking the software to be played. Can be played. Of course it can. Donkey Kong. Oh shit. show you. Oh, okay, just trying out. It's very glary from behind because there's windows and things like that. So, okay, I guess everything is nice. Okay, it's not about the game. It works well, no problem with my controller as well. And then, so this is much nicer, better, and look at the awesome Nintendo sign. Look at the awesome Nintendo sign. I can customize this part, maybe some stickers or anything like that, you know, but this part as well. But these two parts, I'll leave it black. This part here, I'll leave it black. These four corners, because from my survey, that before he made this for me, I wanted white color, but then if it's white or other colors, okay, then you will see the screen at the bottom at the four corners, right? So if this casing is another color, it's not black, then you will see these four corners. You get what I mean? So it won't turn out as perfect as this. I would say this is a perfect job. He doesn't do this, okay? He doesn't make these kind of things. It's just a hobby from him. So yeah. So my Bearbrick, my Nintendo Switch with the arcade machine and the Joy-Con. No, the Joy-Con is inside. The Nintendo 8-bit do brand Pro controller. So let's see whether it's hot. No, it's not hot. It's quite a lot of space here. You can put a lot of things inside here behind. So you can even add a fan if you need to, he says. But then I don't think I need that, because it's like I can put two hands in. I can put two hands in. Okay. So let's have an overlook of this. Okay, last review of this. Okay. I like the nails. It makes it so, you know, so vintage feel. He asked me whether does he need to, you know, make the nails invisible, but then I say no, make it visible. Because I like it that way. So that's the thing, and then that's how you slide it open, easy, and slide it off. Okay, and then, okay, wait. So this side, same, and this side. So what is this tool? This tool is actually, if one day I want to spray this thing, if I want to spray this thing, color this thing, custom made this arcade box, so I need to remove this Nintendo word, this piece of thing. Okay, so to remove this piece of thing, there's a two bracket here, two, okay. So I just need to, well, first time, but I don't think I want to take it off now. Okay, what he says is just this tool that he made. Okay, you can just push it, but I don't want to push it now. Okay, it's brand new. So yeah. So this thing is just to push these two out instead of digging out like that because it's quite attached to it. So I just push this thing out, and that's it. The word will be removed, and so I can color it as I wish in later future, of course, because like I say, black is the most awesome color for arcade feel, but maybe some side this part of customized stickers or some paintings. Yeah, I do paintings as well, but my painting is crap. Okay, so my drawing is crap. So my gaming is also crap. Okay, so that's about it. Okay, so today is nothing to do with Bearbricks. Hello, love. Okay, today has nothing to do with Bearbricks, but it's Nintendo Switch. So I can put this controller in also. So let's say sometimes I would want to go to my friend's house. Okay, I don't need to bring anything. I just bring this arcade and this whole thing in, put all my controller in, put all my cables in behind here and behind here, and then that's about it. I just bring this whole thing there. Okay, I mean, it's so nice. If you see the real thing, this is beautifully done up. Closer look. Can you see it? Okay, but anyway, it's beautifully done up. I don't know how to explain. Okay, maybe I'll put some pictures after, I mean, in this video. So about it. Okay. This is my favorite game, but this game I need to play with drums. Yeah, so it's better on the TV mode, I guess. I've not tried it. I don't have an arcade box. This is my first arcade box, and it's done by my beloved friend. Oh, sorry.